Howdy y'all, it's Mega Gaming, back at again with some more Penumbra Overture. Let me start the timer. Now in the last episode, we did not fix this. So let's jump back into it. Okay, so all I have to do is follow the wires. I'm assuming they're in the concrete. Okay. Let's use our glow stick for now. Or not. Ooh. Probably prevent access to the mine proper. Out of walking hours, something like that won't open without power. Okay. So whatever's in there, stays in there. I should probably go this way. You know what I need? I need a map. That's what I need. It says 50 amp diffuses, but the box is still empty. Still, the contents cannot be far. Ooh. Meat. Be careful. Emergency procedures. In the event of an emergency, all mine workers are asked to follow the standard emergency procedures detailed in the leaflet provided. How many pages? Oh, Morse code. I probably need that. Okay, rescue services will already be on their way, and so under no circumstances should employees intend to aid colleagues themselves or contact the emergency services. This code sheet is provided for use in the extreme unlikely event that you are trapped in the mine with no way in which to signal or otherwise contact emergency crews. In this scenario, you should ensure the stability of surrounding environment by gently tapping and feeling the rock. Once you feel certain that there is no risk of rock slide, check to see if you have any form of communication device at hand and attempt to send a distress signal using the code sheet. Should such a device be unavailable or damaged, begin firmly tapping out a message on the wall of the cave. Rescue crews will hear you and arrive promptly to take you out. Okay. Probably need that for later. It's kind of interesting, Morse code, because there's like African area that, you know, does the clicking, I think. And it's just 5 different. I don't know what I'm saying. What's in here? Nothing. Okay, what's in here? Ooh. Okay. More reading. Boys, I come have a word with you myself, but I've got more important things to do than piss about making sure you're all doing your jobs properly. Now, I know there's a certain amount of camaraderie between your lot, playing pranks and jokes on each other. It comes with the territory, and that's fine, as long as you don't add me to your list. God knows you need something to keep you entertained down here. However, you all know full well that Penrose has some very deep-seated issues with his height, so anyone who thought it'd be a good idea to sabotage his generator, then hide all the spare fuses on the top shelf in the storeroom, would quite clearly need his head examined. You get me? In other news, Jones, I want that inventory done yesterday. And the rest of you, it's not all fun and games, you hear? On a serious note, another radio's gone missing, and you better hope to God that means one of you lost it, because Stealing ain't a pretty word in my book. It's the third one this month, which means the MC on Coming Clean is fast coming to a close. Then there'll be repercussions, got it? What's strange is you're all supposed to be working in pairs, so nobody should be able to get their hands on a radio without the other spotting it. When I find out who's responsible, I'm gonna find out how they got away with it, so on. Then I'm gonna fling them out into the snow and leave them there. They'll just disappear into the night, just like all the radios. Give me that. Com radio. Oh, that beam is coming from speaker. Maybe there's something. Okay. Okay, where's the... Is that numbers or letters? Okay. 5? Okay, yes. Let me get a... Okay, that is 5. Seven. 3. 8. Okay, so we got a code to something. Hey, us. We use Morse code to get the code. Man, it is dark in here. Anything in here? No. Ugh, that hurt. Somehow. The store window? Yep, it's up there. What a bunch of... Oh, okay. Great. Don't tell me I'm short, too. This is kind of like one of those Half-Life puzzles. Fuse. Okay. Now it is time. Doesn't serve much purpose these days. Alright. Close this. Everything's heavy. What I mean by that, it's kind of hard to like move stuff now. Where do I put the fuse? Should be around here somewhere. Not there. There, blind expand. Oh, right here. Well, a spare might come in handy, but these wheels look like... Okay. Well, I haven't went down there yet, so... Ooh, let's go. go down into the tunnel. Should have used the flare, but oh well. I don't like this, and there's nothing. This was okay. Waste of time. How do I turn this on? Ooh. Nope. Okay. Oh. Symbols. Let's look at the to-do list. Maintain one without starter motor being powered. So I gotta power this. For some reason, it won't work. Okay. Not really good at these puzzles. Well, I'm okay, but y'all know what I mean. Like, I was never good at point and click adventure games. I love playing them. Let me guess. Yep, okay. And there's a guard dog. This mine was built sometime after this section I just come from. They must have forgotten about all the old equipment back there and when they built this place. So, how's y'all's day going? My day is going okay-ish. I'm about to have to write my essay for my college paper and my exam, which is a 2,000-word essay. So basically 4,500-word essay. Which sucks. But I know what I'm writing about. Should be easy. What am I missing? It's 1, 2. Connect and confirm secondary flow by turning appropriate valve. Okay, so does this work? Nope. Well, I'm officially done. Oh, okay. I need a battery. Okay. Do I have batteries? No. Calm waiter? No. Oh, wait a minute. This should have sparked the motor. I suppose it can't get by without a battery after all. Do I need a battery? Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Yeah. But luckily, you have me. You figured it out. I don't want to use a walkthrough because what's the purpose of that? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I understand now. Okay. Well, explains the hole. Now we just gotta go down. I just gotta look around, I guess. Battery. Okay. You know, I was wondering why there was a hole there. Hopefully y'all didn't click away, and thank you for not clicking away. Okay. Battery in. Sport. So do I... Yep, okay. We should finally be ready now, provided the fuse holds together. Either air down here is getting to me, or I haven't read those instructions, right? Okay, so... I think that's what you're supposed to do. Alright, let's read the manual. Connect and confirm secondary flow by turning appropriate valve. Turn on cooling system to avoid overheating. Release excessive steam until pressure is within safe limits. Begin grease flow, ensuring leakage is minimal. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that's it. That was not it. Okay, that's Roman numeral 1. I think that's a Roman numeral 2. Or maybe not. Because it's kind of, those look skinny and that's thick. Notes. Jeremy Mann. Okay, it's technically clear. Connect and confirm secondary flow by turning valve. I could just what's the word? Strongman it. But is there an appropriate order? Is what I'm curious about. Look at the notes. Notes one more time. Water. Steam. Grease. Nope. I'm assuming this is steam because it's up in the air. Nope, oh, Rooney. Again. At this point, I'm just bashing my head into the wall. What? How long? Oh, not that long. And that is the end of the video, guys. If you got this far, that must mean you enjoy watching the video and enjoy me hitting my head against the wall. If you got this far, if you enjoy it, then please hit the like and share button. It will help me out a lot if you did. Subscribe for more content. I will see y'all in the next video. Have a good day.